I'm Sarah with WTI. I was looking for a great griddle cover for my husband's Blackstone, and man, did I find one. We are just over the moon with this griddle cover. I know the first thing you're wondering is how it holds up in the weather. Well, I drenched it with my garden hose, and let me tell you, it held up so good. It does with every kind of weather that we have put this through the blazing sun, the rain and the storms, and then in the winter through the snow and the ice. This thing is going to be bone dry under this cover, so that is fantastic. I also want to tell you how durable it is. It's lightweight, and you think it'd be really heavy with how durable it is, but it's not. I love how easy it is to move around, take on and off, and look at the stitching. This is going to last you for years, so that is just incredible. The one we got was 36 inches. It covers the Blackstone very, very well. It's tear resistant. It's just fantastic. Everything that we needed it to be, and it's very easy to clean. It hasn't faded, even though it's been out in the sun and the rain and the weather for a long time. And it also comes with this adorable pair of tongs. Who doesn't love a good pair of tongs? So this griddle cover is just perfect. It's been everything that we needed it to be. Our griddle is protected and covered and doing great. And that's just my point of view.